Lizarte is eager to diversify, therefore has been offering a wide range of new or remanufactured air conditioning compressors for passenger cars as well as commercial vehicles since 2000. This line includes a variety of compressors numbering more than 1,300 items and includes brands such as Bosch, Calsonic, Delphi, Harrison, Nippodenso, Sanden or Zexcel. The company has modern facilities and equipment for the remanufacturing and testing of all the various compressors. Each compressor is subjected to a series of thorough final verification tests, such as the seal test, the vibration test, and real performance test. Lizarte Frio seeks to hold the same high standard of all other Lizarte products, both in service and quality. The quality offered in its products became even more pronounced in 2002 with the ISO 9001 certification. A 2-year warranty is offered on all air conditioning compressors.